Let me show you a time lapse. Interesting. If you're outside, an interesting note about what's happening in the skies is that as we take a look at the low clouds, they're closer to the surface. If you look up higher, you see that haze that's up there. That isn't cloud cover. That's actually smoke from the California fires and, well, California, Oregon, and Washington. We can actually see that in the visible satellite. Here, I'll outline it here. That dark band that stretches from Southern California across Texas actually goes all the way up towards the Great Lakes. This is a model of the forecast smoke for the next couple of days. You see how it's going to be carried pretty much up towards the north into Canada over the next several days. And of course, a lot of it's staying in California, and they have just the worst air quality right now anywhere on the planet out in California because of the smoke out there. Satellite radar around here, it was indeed, as Madison was saying, just an absolute gorgeous day. We expect a nice day tomorrow too, maybe just a little bit cooler as in some spots up to the north as a cold front comes through. This isn't going to really bring in colder air. It's just going to kind of reinforce the temperatures being below normal, even though they're just slightly below normal. In fact, tomorrow will be 1 degree above normal because we're going to have that average temperature starting tomorrow at 89. It's finally going to get below 90 after 97 days in a row of 90 plus on average. But you can see how we're in the 80s on Monday and Tuesday, and a little bit cooler on Tuesday as we get more cloud cover. And this has to do with what's going on in the tropics. There's a lot going on in the tropics. There's a storm actually trying to develop off the coast of Louisiana right now, 20% chance there. Tropical Storm Sally is just off the Florida coastline on the west coast, and then you got Tropical Storm Paulette that is a little bit further off. That could become a hurricane that's going to threaten Bermuda, we think. Tropical Storm Renee, Tropical Depression 20, another storm developing out there that will be Teddy. But we do have either tropical storm warnings or hurricane warnings up and down the Florida coast into the Panhandle, and then we have a hurricane watch that's out for Louisiana and parts of Alabama, including Mobile Bay, and that is because of Sally. We were talking about this at the top of the show. I just wanted to show you the various forecast models that are showing some general agreement that it looks like Louisiana or Mobile would have the better shot of receiving the full brunt of Sally by Tuesday, probably Tuesday early, and then it's going to curl up into the southeast. It's going to be moving slow. It's going to bring a whole lot of rain, some areas over 1 foot of rain. We get some of that rain as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and perhaps Thursday. You see those rain chances, they're the highest on Thursday at 40%. As the temperatures will get knocked down into the mid-80s, but then those rain chances should be gone, Madison, by the time we get into the weekend.